Hi, my name's Naomi and welcome to our heroic court renovation. Here in the kitchen we have retained the existing room size and mirrored the layout so that the full height cabinets are now on the right hand side. This has allowed the cooktop to face east to suit the client's cultural beliefs and requirements. The size of the room did not allow us to include an island bench, however this did not deter us from incorporating a space together. Here in the corner you will see our creative approach to some bench seating in the form of a breakfast nook. This was thoughtfully positioned at the end of the entry, framed by our beautiful new plastered archway, inviting guests to move into the space and welcoming them into the heart of the home. The table that we have chosen is the Ridge dining table custom made by Beeline with a beautiful stone Carrara benchtop. The curve on the kitchen benchtop and shelf imitate the rounded nature of the archway. We have opted for a neutral colour palette to keep the kitchen timeless for years to come. Hints of green and light grey can be seen for a point of difference. The mudroom is connected to the kitchen through the use of the same wood grain joinery. Overall, we have improved the functionality of these areas and the clients are thrilled with the new spaces.